Battle Normanhurst Caravan Club site for a weekend away with friends, and I'm about to discover what it's like to go camping with toddlers. Oh! Battle Normanhurst Court is a great site for families, being a tour explorer club site with fun activities for children, as well as having parent, baby and toddler washroom facilities, a play area for ball games and a playground.
You get a lot of families for staying on site, and children definitely thoroughly enjoy themselves. You've only got to walk down to the play park and hear them playing and laughing, and just see the volume of children making friends and having fun, enjoying the outside. It's very obvious that it's a good thing and a great environment for them. I mean, this is a gorgeous site, so we're very fortunate. There's a nice play park here, and lots of sort of flat land for the children to use their bikes on. We've also got the accessibility of the 1066 walk.
It was a sunny summer's day, so we met up with family and had a relaxing morning on site. We then decided to all take a short walk to the nearby village of Catsfield. We joined the 1066 country walk from the dog walk on site and stopped off for a pub lunch. Just had a pub lunch, now we're back to the campsite. So what does Trev and Aggie think of their stay?
Yeah, it's been fantastic. Yeah, really impressed.
Yes,
Lovely weather, very good facilities. It's been really good. Good, they've got a little good playground down the bottom, and there's a little treasure hunt that we've been doing. Yeah, it's been very good.
Found the treasure!
Beautiful gardens and beautiful trees.
It's a particularly scenic campsite, and I love the way that it's all just grouped into little pods, which make it very sort of secluded. So I think it's excellent. It's certainly worth a visit.
Any advice for anyone camping with toddlers?
Leave them at home.
Bring grandparents with you.
Yeah. No, plenty of toys, usual, lots of outside toys, but no, they've been very good really.
All too soon, the weekend came to an end, but we had a wonderful time and will definitely be back to stay again.